So I'm going to show you what my yard swale does. I only had to touch this 5 years ago during drainage phase 1, but in the middle of the yard now, I had to roll my pants up for this, super deep. Holy crap. So this is what's going to end up in the rock stream. Jesus. Jesus. Oh my God. Fucking E, man. You know what? I may want to remove a few of these rocks. I might be slowing it down a bit much. Well, I don't know, is it? I don't know. It'll work. Check out the rock stream. Oh my God. Oh, Jesus. Okay. Yeah. The rock stream is overflowing. God dang, man. There goes my pump. Good thing I clean out all these culverts. So I have 3 culverts, the city culverts, that protect this property. And I made sure all 3 of them were clean today. You know what though? I mean, if I would have had this kind of rain last year, it would take weeks for it to dry out. And I don't think this is going to take all that long. I'd have to have 2 weeks of dry weather, which never happens in the fall anymore. So that culvert right there is going to be busy. Wow. Let's go check the pit. This should be good. Should be good. You know, another thing I did is around the garage I had to use crushed stone because I needed structural support. Because of the piering I did on the foundation, I didn't want it to collapse. Around the perimeter drain I used round stone, 1.5 inch round. Yeah, we're going. Turned out pretty good. Try not to get wet here. The yard drain is the one by the yellow rope. This one here is around the front of the garage, and that's the downspout from the back of the garage right there. Sump pump is running again. Turned off. That pump is coming on a lot. I've never seen this level of rain yet with the system on. This is almost funny. I'm glad I did this rock stream. Jeez. When it stops raining though, this stuff's gonna be gone. Would have never before. Would have hung around. Oh, my little, here, I gotta light this up. So, in the trees here used to be, they could get to 6 inches, but this culvert here is going to be screaming. Holy shoot. Oh, this guy's full. I've never seen that before. Then again, I never went walking around in a rainstorm like this. He's up to the top. That's about I think a 14 or 16 inch culvert. And my, I was walking down the bike path here. That river I dug with the excavator, it should be dumping the water in here somewhere. Now if I shine in here, I bet it is. Yep. Yeah, this would never get full of water before, because it all went in my yard. Now it's coming in the back of my yard. My berm is off in the woods there. Oh, that's nice to see. It's all here now. That's very nice. I don't want to walk through there, but we'll check it out from the other side. That is nice, nice, nice. It's got to be 5-6 inches of water there at some spots. Oh my god, that whole thing. No wonder the culvert is full. Okay, let's go back and check the river. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Yeah, it's okay. At this point, there's probably back feeding a little bit into my system, but it's still going to that culvert like I planned. My French drain is way over here, so literally beyond the French drain, it's not wet. Huh. That thing's almost buried. Oh man, I never thought of that. You know what? I didn't make this high enough. It's going back in there. Wow. So I gotta order that backfill valve from Sherwood Landscaping. Yeah. I didn't think of that. I didn't think it'd be that high. And that's why I've been clearing out that culvert. Like, the culvert was half choked off when I started this project. And even with it fully open, the water is about 6-8 inches high in there. Jeez. That's ridiculous. Okay, let's check the river. Plenty of water on the French drain here. It's flowing. Okay, let's get a light on stuff. Well, everything's working to plan. Oops, sorry. There's a tree I had to take down for this project. I had to take about 3 trees down. Another one over there I took down. Let's see how it's coming off of the yard here. Yeah, it's going pretty good. It's cutting more channel. Yeah. Yeah, see, this would all go. This is the stuff that was going in my yard before. So, it looks like up top, I need to have a 6-inch outlet for that one spot. And then down here, I need to buy that backfill preventer, I think. Definitely. Once it stops raining so much, though, that'll stop. It'll lower a little bit. It's really getting high here. It's everywhere. Whoosh. Look at that. It's getting higher and higher.